In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a link on the Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then just swipe to the right to bring up story creation tool. After that, we can hit right here to upload some picture from our camera roll, or we can just take a picture using camera. So I'm just gonna pick that one, and then we can pinch it a bit. Also we can rotate it just like that. And now if we want to add a link to that story, we can just tap right here at that stickers icon, and then we need to search for a link sticker. If you can't find it here, you can use search, and then all we have to do is just tap on it, and that allows us to paste a URL. Here we can just tap at that field and then hit add paste, and then just hit add done. What that will do, that will add that Instagram link sticker to our story. We can just move it around, we can pinch it, we can resize it in that way, we can rotate it, and then we can just continue editing our story. We can add there some text, some other stickers, all that stuff. After that, just hit add that icon to share your story. That's how you can easily add a link on Instagram story. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.